Our protocol provides a comprehensive, unobtrusive, and accurate way to describe how people can engage with online communities while they're recovering from drug and alcohol addiction. This technique goes beyond the self-reported approach that's been used in previous studies, allowing us to measure more implicit markers of recovery.
Before beginning the extraction, load the required functions, datasets, or compiled code that allow users to analyze, transform, or extract data in R, and load the external retention and user data into R as a data frame from a CSV file. When all of the packages have been loaded, use the getGroup function from R Facebook to extract data from the social media page of the community of interest, and save the data as a data frame. Using the getPosts function from R Facebook, along with the just extracted post IDs, extract the data about post likes made on the page. Using the getPosts function from R Facebook and the extracted post IDs, extract data on the comments made on each post, and save this data as a data frame. Using the comment IDs, extract data on the comment likes made on each post, and save this data as a data frame. Then, combine the posts, post likes, comments, and comment likes data into one data frame, and add a monthly breakdown. To calculate the social media activity made and received by each client, calculate the number of posts, comments, post likes, and comment likes made by each client, and the number of posts, comments,